I'm meteorologist Herman Cassetti. It is Monday morning. Oh man, I tell you, what a warm and humid weekend for a lot of us. It was a weekend to um, clean up the mess from the floods last week and dry things out. I know things drying out on my deck in the sunshine. It was kind of weird. We went to the lake yesterday, and I said, isn't this nuts? I said we just spent the whole week in the rain, pouring rain, and we go to a lake and you sit in a lake. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. All right. Unfortunately, the rains are coming back this week. It's going to rain again. Could be some heavy rains in there as well. We had some thunderstorms yesterday going through the eastern part of the country. Some heavier thunderstorms were out here in the plain states yesterday, all the way down into the southwest. And today looks to be the same with some severe weather coming through the Ohio Valley back into the high plains, and then those thunderstorms are coming in the east um, on what day is this? Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday. I need my coffee. Sorry about that. I just need coffee. I'm just gonna get the coffee, get going here. All right, and it's warm and humid all over the eastern part of the country with all this moisture that's happened. The humidity levels have just come. I mean, it's yucky out there. All right, let's see here. This is the radar this morning. A lot of heavy thunderstorms north of Chicago, or just even in Chicago, Milwaukee, back toward Des Moines, Davenport, and then some showers back into Kansas this morning. I do have a close-up shot of that one. There it is. There it is. And you can see thunderstorms coming in north of Chicago. Some heavy thunderstorms there. Sometimes they prompt some warnings, some marine warning as well. And they'll continue on. In the tropics, we do have some activity in the tropics. It's way out there. We get this upper level low out here. All right, it's kind of like a subtropical feature. It's going to take off in that direction, not cause any problems. Um, you know, these guys down there, they're bored. It's tropical season. They're bored. They're looking for something, so they go, "Oh, well, we'll just watch this thing out there. There's nothing else out there." I mean, look, it's pretty bland down through here. It's bland through the Caribbean. It's just, it's August and it's pretty bland right now. All right. Remember, the heat is building up. Well, it's bland and nothing going on. The heat's building up. So once we do get into tropical season, there's going to be plenty of heat there for storms to feed on. But right now, we're just watching this thing here. Again, it's going to go up out to sea and not cause anybody any problems. Let's see here. Severe weather-wise today through the Ohio Valley. You got that cluster of thunderstorms coming from Detroit all the way back to Chicago. Like a couple of rounds of thunderstorms there. Some flash flooding problems. Even in the high plains here, some heavy thunderstorms. And that's all coming eastbound. Tomorrow, probably there's going to be some severe weather in this area right through there. Get back in the high plains with a cold front coming. That cold front kind of sticks around on Wednesday. And got some more thunderstorms there. These marginals always turn into slight risks, you know. So, but the problem is that it's going to rain again, and there's going to be some flooding rains, and some of the people that have had flooded problems, they're going to have more rain coming. So, a lot of the streams. I'll tell you one thing. I noticed that a lot of the streams are not going down that fast. Okay. Yesterday they were still running bank full or over the banks still in a lot of areas. So, if we get any more thunderstorms, it's going to be floods again. I mean, that's the way it is. All right. Let's see here. This is for tomorrow. You can see the cold fronts through here. And a lot of showers and thunderstorms from the northeast all the way back into the Ohio Valley, mostly in the Ohio Valley. There's a little bit of low developing there. And then you get to Wednesday, you can see this front is kind of slowing down. It's hitting the monster ridge out here. So everything's kind of slowing down, slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. All right. And the little wave of low pressure is going to run along that front, enhancing it. Look at this thing down here. That's crazy. You know? And let's see, next day, this is Thursday. All right, a little bit of a dry day coming in. Showers and thunderstorms are down here. Nice hurricane down through off the Baja. I'll tell you one thing, they're going to be surfing USA down here, actually surfing Baja, Mexico wise down there. And then Friday, here comes the rains back again. Little low pressure systems developing. The trough is coming in like this. I can't draw it. There you go. The trough is coming in like this. And so you're getting low pressure developing. And by the time we get to Saturday, here comes the rains again. Some more downpours coming into the eastern part of the country. Once again, on Saturday, and they'll go stick around on Sunday as well. You look at this and you say, oh, it's the same area again with showers and thunderstorms and rain. You know, and the heat's gonna come. He's gonna stay out west. It's gonna stay dry, hot out there. A little bit of monsoonal thunderstorms going on, and unfortunately, none of these things are gonna come up into the southwest. But it's the way it is. All right, that's it for this Monday. I'm meteorologist Henry Marcus City.